guys, I'm Meredith Haas from the Public Education Division, and spring has sprung. It even feels like spring here in Northern Michigan. And when spring comes, it's a great time to do some spring cleaning. You might want to think about taking care and maintaining your smoke alarms, making sure they have fresh batteries, and running a gentle vacuum over them to remove the dust. It's also a great time to think about an important topic like dryer safety. So come with me. Welcome to my laundry room. Let's talk about dryer safety. Always make sure that your dryer is in good working order. If you have any questions, of course, talk to a professional and make sure that your dryer is plugged in directly to the outlet like all appliances should be, without any extension cords. The dryer vent is an important piece. The dryer should never be run without a filter, and the filter should always be clean before you run another load of laundry. If you're like me and you're in a hurry, you try to get as much done as you can at one time, but be cautious not to overload your dryer. That's when you can have problems with potential risks for fire. Also, make sure that your dryer is free of anything that's combustible, clothing, papers, boxes, or anything like that. Another important point is to make sure you shut your dryer off before you leave the house or go to bed. An important point in the spring is also thinking about the exterior dryer vent. So you can see here, our dryer used to be located on the main floor. It was easy to get to. And you want to make sure you clear out the debris, any rodents that may be nesting in those areas. Now, our dryer vent is actually located on the second floor, and you can see up here, this is going to require a ladder. So take that into consideration when you do your spring cleaning. Lastly, with your dryer, if you have oily rags from doing other spring cleaning, make sure that you let those dry out completely before you wash and dry them. In public education, an informed public is what we do, and that means you too. So thanks for watching. Happy spring. For more tips like this on dryer safety or other home safety, if you haven't seen this book, check it out. And of course, reach out to your friends in public education at any time. We're happy to help.